Urashima Taro. Once upon a time, in a seaside village, there lived a fisherman named Urashima Taro. Urashima Taro was a young man with a kind heart. He went out to sea every day to go fishing to support his elderly father and mother. One day, on his way back from the sea, Urashima Taro saw some children gathered on the beach, making a lot of noise. He saw that they had caught a small baby turtle, and that they were all tormenting it by poking it with a stick. He felt sorry for the poor baby turtle. He said to the children, "You must not torment living creatures," and saved the baby turtle. He took it in his hand and returned it to the water. The turtle was happy, and it popped its head and legs out of its shell and started to swim with no trouble at all, returning to the bottom of the sea. One day, 2 or 3 years later, Urashima Taro was once again out at sea fishing when he heard a voice call out from behind him. "Mr. Urashima, Mr. Urashima." When he looked behind him, a big turtle was approaching the boat. "Sir, I am the turtle that you saved. As a sign of my gratitude, I will guide you to the dragon palace at the bottom of the sea," the turtle said. The turtle put Urashima Taro onto its back and started swimming. When it dove under the blue sea a short time later, their surroundings were suddenly illuminated. They were surrounded by a coral reef, and schools of beautiful fish were swimming by. After they had been going for a while, an elegant gateway came into view in front of them. A fish led Urashima Taro into the dragon palace. Inside the dragon palace, there was a beautiful princess. "Welcome to the dragon palace. Thank you for saving the turtle the other day. Please, relax and enjoy yourself," she said with a kind voice. After that, Urashima Taro watched the beautiful fish dance, drank sake, enjoyed wondrous feasts, merrily chatted with the princess, and lived every day like it was a dream in the palace. However, after some time, Urashima Taro became worried about his mother and father back in the village, and thought that he would like to return home soon. When he told this to the princess, she gave him a beautiful box to take with him and said, "I will miss you, but it is natural for you to want to return home. This is a tamatebako, a treasure box. Please take it with you, and be careful returning home. But please, never open this box." Urashima Taro took the treasure box, got onto the turtle's back, and set off towards his village. However, when he arrived at the shore, everything around him had completely changed. There were people there as he walked towards the village, but he knew none of them. His own house in the village was gone. No matter how many times he called out to his mother and father, they couldn't be found. Urashima Taro was shaken up. At that moment, he suddenly caught sight of the tamatebako, and he gently tried to open it. When he did, white smoke came out from inside it. As he silently watched the smoke, in the blink of an eye, the young Urashima Taro turned into an old man with a white beard and white hair. While he had been having fun every day in the Dragon Palace, hundreds of years had passed on land.